Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to cook sweet and sour fish tilapia. Just keep on watching. These are ingredients. Tilapia fish, onion and garlic, ginger, carrot, red and green bell pepper, liquid seasoning in ground black pepper, 1/2 cup ketchup, 3½ tablespoon white vinegar, 2 tablespoon cornstarch, 3½ tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 cups of water. Now let's start. First, add liquid seasoning and ground black pepper to the fish to make it more flavorful. Mixed seasoning can also be used if there's no liquid seasoning. Now let's fry the fish. Cook until it turns into brown. After frying, let's cook the sweet and sour sauce. Let's saute the garlic. Next is onion. Ginger, and carrot. Next step, add white vinegar. Add ketchup. And 2 cups of water. Mix it well and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now add ground black pepper, and sugar. Now add red and green bell pepper and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the salt. And last, add cornstarch. And mix it until the sauce thickens. Now it's done and ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. Thanks for watching!